English conversation practice. Where do you live?
I live in London.
Did you take any photos on your trip?
Yes, I took a lot of pictures.
What's the last words you said?
I think it was goodbye.
Have you met our neighbor yet?
Of course they are so kind.
Can I borrow your camera?
Sure, here you go.
What do you need it for?
I need it for my project.
What's on your mind?
I'm thinking about what to cook.
Do you need a shopping cart?
No, I can manage with just a basket.
When did you get here?
Just a few minutes ago.
Why don't you call me?
I've been so busy.
Where is your notebook?
I left it on the kitchen table.
Do you have a photo of the moon?
Yeah, I took one last night.
Where were you sitting?
I was sitting in the back row.
Did you receive the package I sent you?
Yes, it arrived yesterday.
Where is the toilet?
Just down the hall to your left.
Has he submitted his essay yet? How old are you turning next year?
I will be 25 years old.
Do you prefer old movies or new one?
I like a mix of both.
Are you ready to study for the exam?
Let's review the notes together.
Are you a new worker here?
Yes, I just started last week.
Did you hear the phone ring?
No, maybe it was on silent.
Have you seen my shoes?
That's in the closet by the front door.
Do you know how to fix the printer?
Sorry, but I don't know.
Have you taken out the trash yet?
I'll do it after dinner.
Are you a student at the university?
I am studying economics.
Did you hear the noise from the plane last night?
Yeah, it woke me up.
Do you know where Tom is?
I haven't seen him since this morning.
Did you send out the wedding invitation?
I mailed them yesterday.
Why don't you try the new restaurant?
Nope, I heard it's expensive.
Why don't you eat vegetables?
I don't like their taste.
Did you wash your hand?
Yes, of course.
Do you speak English?
I understand, but I can't speak it well.
Will you go home soon?
I am on my way home.
Do you eat fresh fruit?
I include fruit in meals.